Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Foodie Yarn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a tea bag. I used 3mm crochet hook. Hold the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through and tie the yarn. This is called a slip knot. Yarn over, pull through. We should make 8 chains like this. Skip 1 chain and start from next chain. Insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called a single crochet. We should make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Next, we should make in 5 next stitches just 1 single crochet. In the end, we should make 4 single crochet into the same stitch, like this. And next 5 stitches we should make 5 single crochet and 1 single crochet in each stitch. And after that, 2 single crochet into the same stitch, like this. In this row we work in back loops, as you can see. We should make in each stitch 1 single crochet in back loops. Row 3 to row 8, we should make in each stitch just 1 single crochet, and we should follow this pattern for 6 rows. And just tie the yarn and cut it and tie it. And insert your white yarn. In this row we work in front loops. Insert your hook and make a single crochet in front loops. Each stitch 1 single crochet in front loops, like this. And we should make 4 single crochet like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and decrease like this. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, next stitch, insert your hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. In this row we should make in each stitch just 1 single crochet, total 15 single crochet. In this row we should make 3 single crochet and 1 decrease like this. 2, 3, and decrease. And next row we should make in each stitch just 1 single crochet. Fill our work a little bit and just make 1 single crochet, next stitch 1 single crochet, and insert your hook in both sides and make a single crochet. Again, insert your hook into the both sides and make a single crochet. And in the end, chain 1 and cut the yarn and tie it. After this, we should add our eyes. Use your needle and we should make our smile like this. And just fasten off. Pull the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called magic ring. And we should make 7 single crochet into our magic ring. After 7 single crochet, tie the yarn and close our magic ring. Insert your hook into the first single crochet and make a slip stitch like this. And this row, chain 1, we should make in each stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch. This is called increase, like this. And in the end of this row we should make slips and chain 1, tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor. And we have 5 chains in up. Insert your hook into the 3rd chain and insert your white yarn. I make 35 chain. You can make as much as you want. and we should connect our pieces like this. Don't forget to like this video, and for more tutorials please subscribe and hit the bell. If you have any question, ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.